Priyanka Gandhi is currently addressing the press on her campaign trail. Let's listen in.
Years old. And the answer has been constant and the same. It's you who don't want to accept my answer to this question. And of course, if I ever want to join politics, you will know immediately. मेरे अनुभव में प्रदेश के चुनाव में राज्य सरकार के जो चुनाव होते हैं विधानसभा वाले उसमें ज्यादातर प्रदेश के ही मुद्दे रहते हैं. Yeah, actually yes, it's true. I'm not sure if this is one of them, but I do.
Why is that? Why is that? The moment you step on the stage, it says Bhaiya ji. And why are you called Bhaiya ji? Explain me that. Explain to us how that.
When I don't know. The SPG gave me this nickname when I was about 13, 14. I can tell you I didn't like the nickname when I got it, but it seems to have stuck, and it's water is sort of filtered down to the workers over here also who call me Bhaiya ji. Maybe I had short hair. I was very boyish when I was a kid, maybe because of that.
Priyanka ji, Rahul is supposed to be the Prime Minister candidate for the Congress Party, but do you feel that a person of that stage has taken too much in this one single assembly election? He is your national leader.
What does taking too much mean? What does it mean? It's taking too much on what? On his reputation. But it's not his reputation that matters, it's his work that matters. He is not concerned about his reputation. Well, only cowards don't lead from the front.
But it will reflect on him. That's
So, it's fine if it reflects on him. I'm sure he's prepared for that.
लेकिन आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर नतीजे सही नहीं आए तो उनकी साख पे असर पड़ेगा?
देखो, शुरुआत में पिछले चुनाव से पहले मैंने यही बात की थी उनसे. मैंने कहा था कि देखो, संगठन नहीं है उस समय, कमजोर है, क्यों पढ़ रहे हो इसमें? यही जो आप बातें कर रहे हैं अपने रेपुटेशन के बारे में, ये वो, आगे लोग उंगलियां उठाएंगे आप पे. लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे ये बात समझाई कि उनको इन चीजों से मतलब नहीं है, उनको काम से मतलब है, संगठन को खड़ा करने से मतलब है, प्रदेश में बदलाव लाने से मतलब है. और प्रदेश की स्थिति आप सब देख रहे हैं. 22 सालों से भ्रष्टाचार, अराजकता फैली हुई है. लोगों का काम नहीं हो रहा है, विकास नहीं हो रहा है, लोग उब चुके हैं. तो बदलाव लाने के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, वो अपने रेपुटेशन के लिए थोड़ी काम कर रहे हैं.
प्रियंका जी, राहुल
As I understand it, the mandate my brother is trying to set is not against, it is for the development of the state. It is for the fact that this state, being the most populous state in this country, is lagging behind other states in development. And I think the agenda he is trying to set is that we need a politics of development. And that all other kinds of politics, whether they are based on caste, based on religion, or whether it is corrupt politics, opportunistic politics, is not the kind of politics that should prevail in the country.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.